Clearborough, North Dallas. Finishing up a 22 Lamborghini Huracan, obviously a Spyder version. Full wrap, XPEL Ultimate Plus, full ceramic over that with XR Plus window film. And let's take a look at what we got. So, just like any of our vehicles, when we do them, we're always looking for the optimum clarity. This car was completely polished down. No need to do any compounding or anything on it. The paint is absolutely perfect. I mean, the depth in it was crazy. The dealer did an excellent job on the prep, getting it out to the client, the PDI or whatever you want to call it. But just a quick glance at just our wrap. We'll go over it in more detail, but everything on this car is just perfect as it should. Even so, with our beautiful Tesla Ys, our GX and our Porsche back there, everything we do is fully encapsulated and cared for. So let's start up front here. There's our XR Plus. No windshield film, left that alone. I probably would have opted for a windshield protection film on this. I don't want to take this glass out ever. I always want factory seal, factory installations. I think once people start taking any car apart, it's probably a bad idea. So here we go. So starting with the front trunk, getting all those edges wrapped in, all these little corners, everything. We want everything so it looks perfect. This bumper, when I came around, I don't leave an edge out here. Everything went in all the way into the headlight sockets. So everything's fully wrapped in. All these edges are fully wrapped in from the fender to the bumper. Where this marker light is, fully wrapped in. Everything gets fully encased, everything. These holes here, I wrapped this all the way in here. Coming around, obviously, the front trunk, all fully wrapped in. And then coming over to this headlight area, fully wrapped in, no line outside on the bumper. Everything comes in to the end of that bumper underneath. Plenty of room. I can get a semi truck through there. Okay, not really. Coming around this side, excuse me. Bumper and fender both wrapped in, enough gap. Coming up on our A-pillars, all one piece, fully wrapped in to glass, to molding, okay? Our fender, all wrapped in into the A-pillar area, all the way around. Coming around here, all wrapped in, door and fender, fully wrapped in. Coming down to our bottom, no line here, wrapped underneath the fender where the rocker meets, and the rocker's wrapped in as well, fully wrapped in all the way around. And that's the entire car all the way through. All this was done, this bezel wrapped, handle wrapped, this little piece fully wrapped all the way around. This edge up top of the door, here's the door, that is fully wrapped in to that rubber. No gap around this mirror, all the way in. Our gas area where we fuel in, no line around this. The door, fully wrapped in. Our top, fully wrapped in. Fully wrapped in. Everything fully wrapped in, no lines. Fully wrapped in. The piece under here, I'm sorry, it goes down, but that piece right here that meets up with this to complete the headrest area, if you want to call it, that's fully wrapped all edges. This vent, don't remember if these have any problems with heat and blister in the film, but we did it. The client is aware. If there's any issues, we need to take it off, but that's all one section, fully done. No issues. This little cube here, fully wrapped in, no lines. Everything is fully done, full edges, all wrapped around so you don't have edges. So when somebody uses the term, I wrap the car, that doesn't indicate they're gonna wrap every edge. You need to specifically ask your installer, are you wrapping this edge right here, where this taillight is, underneath in this taillight like I did? And if you could do that, that is what you're looking for. So there it is. 22 Huracan. These are hard to get, just like everything else, but even worse. But there it is, folks. There's the overall. Fully done. Doesn't look like there's any film. A lot of ceramic on top of it. This car will be just a rinse and go. That's it. It'll never get muddy. You'd have to have an unlucky day. But there it is. 22 Huracan Spyder. XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film for the best protection, and topped off with a 5-year ceramic, probably about 3 layers, as much as I can get on it. And there it is, with some XR Plus window film for the highest heat rejection. Clearbrow, North Dallas, and Argyle. 214-414-3809. I'm Brent. Any questions, feel free to give me a call. If you need the text, 940-703-8301. Take care. You guys have a good day.